On May 6, 1937, a grand spectacle unfolded at Lakehurst Naval Air Station, New Jersey. The Hindenburg, a colossal airship, was set to complete its final voyage across the Atlantic, marking the culmination of an era of airship travel. The Hindenburg, a symbol of grandeur and technological prowess, was the largest and most luxurious airship of its time. It was a marvel of engineering, boasting a length of 804 feet and a capacity to carry 97 passengers in comfort. As the sun set on that fateful day, the Hindenburg approached the ground, preparing for its landing. The crew, confident and seasoned, navigated the airship skillfully, guided by the glowing beacon of the landing tower. Suddenly, a flash of fire engulfed the airship's rear. The crew, taken aback, attempted to fight the blaze, but it spread rapidly, fueled by the highly flammable hydrogen gas that filled the airship's cargo hold. Panic ensued. Passengers, once calm and composed, were now frantic, scrambling for any available means of escape. The crew, faced with an impossible task, could only watch in horror as the fire consumed the once magnificent vessel. In a matter of minutes, the Hindenburg was transformed from a symbol of progress to a burning inferno. With a deafening roar, it crashed to the ground, sending shockwaves through the gathered crowd. The disaster claimed the lives of 35 people, including one ground crew member. The survivors were left to grapple with the horrifying aftermath, the memory of the once great Hindenburg now tainted by tragedy. The Hindenburg disaster marked the end of an era of airship travel. The public, once enamored with the idea of crossing the Atlantic in style, now embraced the safety and reliability of the fledgling commercial aviation industry. The tragedy served as a grim reminder of the dangers inherent in pushing the boundaries of technology. It was a sobering lesson in humility, a testament to the fragility of human endeavor, and a stark reminder of the cost of progress. In the years that followed, the Hindenburg disaster would become a symbol of tragedy, a cautionary tale of ambition and hubris. Yet, it also served as a catalyst for advancements in aviation safety, paving the way for the development of safer, more reliable modes of air travel. And so, the ghost of the Hindenburg lingers, a silent sentinel over the skies, a testament to the triumphs and tribulations of human innovation. Its memory, etched in the annals of history, serves as a poignant reminder of the price we pay for reaching for the stars.